Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, aren't these gorgeous? Yes, they are. Stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you decided to stop by, and welcome to all of my new subscribers and to all of my new friends. Welcome back to all of my longtime subscribers and longtime friends. For those of us who are celebrating Christmas, Christmas is tomorrow, and I hope that you get to spend that time with family, friends, or both. And I know that a lot of you head out the day after Christmas to take advantage of the after Christmas sales. Well, I'm having one of those on my channel. I am having a 2-day after Christmas sale because I want to make sure that you don't miss out in case you happen to get up and you spend all day on Monday taking advantage of those after Christmas deals, either online or in the store. You'll still have a chance to take advantage of some of the after Christmas sales that I'll be having on my channel. These are going to be on my channel as an after Christmas sale item. This will be another private tutorial of these beautiful 3-drawer boxes, and I've used somewhat of a new technique in making these, and I think that you'll find it a very easy technique. But I'm going to just hold this up so that you can see that awesome profile. Aren't these just gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. And the same with this one. I did it in a paisley print. And I'll open that so that you can see just how fabulous these are. Y'all, this is a private exclusive tutorial. It will only be available on my website. This is not a process that I will demo on my channel. And I'll also have a whole bunch of other things available on my website. So the sale on my website starts on Monday, December 26th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, and it'll last through Tuesday, December 27th. So for 2 days, these boxes are going to be available on my website, again, at 65% off of my normal private tutorial price. And those of you who got the apothecary boxes, you know that that was a fabulous deal. I never ever do my private tutorials that low, but I received such wonderful and heartwarming feedback from a lot of you who said that by reducing it to 65% off for that 1 day, made it possible for you to be able to afford something that you would not have been able to afford at my normal sale price on this item. So I'm doing it again, and I'm doing it for 2 days. And the reason why I'm doing it for 2 days is because if you happen to be out shopping and you don't feel like getting online and going to my store on Monday, you'll have an opportunity to grab this at 65% off on Tuesday. And I also have other items available for sale on my website at various sale prices, but these will be 65% off. So if you want to take advantage of getting this particular item, go ahead. Monday the 26th or Tuesday the 27th, you'll have that chance. And be on the lookout for an upcoming giveaway. We are going to kick off 2023 with a giveaway to celebrate my 150,000 subscribers. And here's the beauty of that giveaway. I'm going to run 2 separate giveaways. I'll have one for the US and I'll have one for internationals. So yes, if you live outside of the US, you will be able to take advantage of this giveaway, and you will be able to actually receive the prize that you win. I will not be doing gift cards in lieu of shipping you the item. I will actually be shipping you whatever it is you win, because I want to make sure that I recognize my international friends as well. So we're going to have multiple winners from within the United States and also outside of the United States. So be on the lookout for that. It's coming up. But make sure that if you're able, you take advantage of my awesome after Christmas sale. Guys, thank you so much for supporting my website and supporting me when I do sales like this, because it helps to keep my channel running. Contrary to what people might believe, I'm not getting wealthy on YouTube. Most months I don't even break even. So when I do items like this helps me to keep my channel running. It helps me to be able to buy supplies for the channel. And yes, it helps to pay the rental costs for the space that I rent to be able to make my videos. So everything that you do certainly helps to support my channel, and I truly, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate it. Guys, as always, thank you so much. Y'all please be safe, be kind, be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.